What's up, y'all? So this video is really for Marie, one of our 1010 clients here, but I may put this on YouTube and share it somewhere just so y'all can see how this works, but I'm really doing it for her so she can see how it works. So when you join the 1010 program, we install an instant quote funnel onto your website. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and share my screen because I wanted to show Marie how this all works. Her website was built outside of CBN. As you know, you can create your website inside of CBN for free when you're a member. We automatically include hosting and all that good stuff. But you decide that you want to, you already got a website built and you like the way it looks. You can keep your website, but we're just going to attach certain things to your website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back over here. So one of the things that we install on your site, again, this is hosted somewhere else, not in CBN, but we were still able to install the mechanisms of our CRM so she can generate more leads. So one of the things that we did was we added this chat button. So anytime somebody chats here on her website, let's just say just start a live chat. And then I'm going to send that in. Marie can reply right back to that right inside her CRM. So if we come over here to her CRM, see that a visitor just sent an email, a message on her site, and that is me. So you can see how it's screen is just a little slow, but it's right here. So bam, you can see that was me right there, just came through. Right, and then you got the automated messages as well, trying to keep it busy until she comes. So there's that. The other thing that we do when you join the 1010 program is we will add a button to the header-ish part of your site for you to get a free quote. So if you click on that, now it's going to take you over to the funnel that we pre-built for her. So we automatically pre-build these funnels for everybody that's automatically included. And now it takes them over to a funnel that is hosted on CBN. All right, so this wasn't part of her website at all, but we created. So I'm just gonna do a little test thing. So I'm gonna put in Clean Biz Network testing. I'll put in AJ. I'm put in my name. I'll put in address, street, and then I will put in a phone number, which is our customer service number. I'll put in my email. And then I'm just going to put a random square footage in. So let's just say the building is 6,000 square feet. Let's say we want it done 5 days a week. And let's just say the customer right now is already paying 10 grand a month. I just want to make sure that this number is higher than what they actually going to give me. So once they click that submit button, then what's going to happen is this funnel is going to automatically say, hey, name of the person who filled out the form, because I typed in AJ. So that's what they put here. So hi, AJ, the price to clean your facility could only be $17.65 per month. That means you could be saving this amount per year because what they told us what they were paying already. So the form was able to calculate that. All right. And so now it says, let's get your walkthrough consultation scheduled. They click here, and then it's going to take them to a place where they can book their actual walkthrough. Everything for a calendar and all of that, so they can start booking. Actually, here you go. But even if they don't book, we have their information on the back end now inside of the CRM, which I'm about to show you in a minute. So if they want to move forward with a walkthrough, they can just go ahead and schedule it right there on Marie's calendar. And Marie, obviously, in her back end of her CRM, should have already configured her availability times, because right now, as you can see, this person can book a walkthrough in 5 minutes, because right now it's 12:55, and they saying that we can book it today for 1 o'clock. So she would definitely need to go in her calendar settings and update when she's actually available. All right, but I'm gonna take that off. And then you can see I submitted this form, right? So now if we go back to the CRM, you can see, look, this new lead just popped up. So that was me. That was literally from the form that I just filled in. So we already got this automation configured, so you don't have to go. And this is what we mean by automations. If this was just some random person, you know what I mean, like a random lead you got, you would have to go in your CRM and add this lead manually inside your opportunities tab. But we have automation set up so it automatically adds the lead right there. So it automatically says, who the person is, their contact information, the source was the commercial cleaning price quote form, all of that good stuff, and it added some tags to them. All right, so you can see it's automatically added in there for you. And then another thing too is if we go to this conversations tab again, click up there, you can see it was also in documenting that chat bot. But again, any types with you, as long as you got it connected to the CRM, it's gonna come through. All right. So you can see right here where the email was sent out to me, because I was the person that applied for it, all that. It reminds them how much we can be charging them per month. And then it tells them to click here if they want to schedule their the walkthrough and all that good stuff. So just wanted to show you that. And then actually I'll show you one more thing. Well, no, I won't show that to you on here because I might put this out on YouTube. But the one thing I'm gonna do, and I'll show you in the back end, Marie. But all right, anyway, hope this was able to help, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and the reason why I started the 1010 program is because I get it. Starting a business can be scary, it can be risky, and you don't know what to do. You know what I mean? So with the 1010 program, I decided, you know what? Let's guarantee you success. Let's put you together with a one-on-one mentor. Let's give you unlimited leads, and let's guarantee you that you can get to at least 10 grand a month in contracts. So whether you're already in business or whether you haven't even got started yet, the 1010 program can work for you and assure you that you will grow at least by $10,000 per month in recurring commercial cleaning contracts. So if this sounds like something that you want to do, click that button below and go ahead and book a call with me. And listen, this is not like a franchise opportunity. These will be your accounts that you actually own, not some franchise middlemaning you. This is actually a guarantee. These will be your actual contracts. This will be your actual business, okay? So click the button below and schedule your call, and let's see if we're a right fit for each other.